Thanks to a partnership between the Bahamas government, the Inter-American Development Bank, and Nova Scotia Community College, the Bahamas Technical and Vocational Institute recently launched its training for the installation and maintenance of solar photovoltaic systems. What does this mean? The Bahamas has opened the door to solar power as an alternate source of energy.
The exciting thing about energy reform is that along the substantial benefits that go along with creating cleaner, more affordable and more reliable energy, we can also create significant new opportunities for Bahamians.
It is important that we as a people are making determinations that we are going to create pathways for energy that allows us to continue to move forward without obstacles. Solar energy is critical in this regard.
We are excited for the partnership, the leadership with IDB partnering with Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Education, and also to have BTVI be a part of this movement, because it is important for us to have our people ready, trained, and knowledgeable in this sector, because it is clear that the government has fully advanced its transition and energy transformation. And so to be well ready for our people to be a part of not only the knowledge transfer, but also the jobs, and being also a part of our maintenance and operation program of our solar systems.
The project will culminate with a workshop for high school teachers and students. I'm Adama Williams for Ed Talk.